गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस है। चैप्टर 4 है हाउ द ट्रेडर्स बिकेम रूलर्स। ये आपका रिवीजन चल रहा है। आप आज जो आप चैप्टर 4 पे आ गए हो, मैंने जो करवाया वो आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में करना है, ठीक है। चलो, इन दिस यूनिट इट इज़ एक्सप्लेन हाउ द ब्रिटिशर्स टू इंडिया owing to the weaknesses of the Indian rulers. The Britishers exploited great statesmanship. They succeeded in establishing their rule over India by practicing policies of convincing, bringing, penalizing, and knowing secrets. It had far-reaching effects on Indian civilization and on social economic issues. The Britishers had only one policy: divide and rule. Maybe Wellesley or Dalhousie, they had only one mission: enslave India as fast as possible. नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन है, इफ टुडे फॉरेन कंपनीज कम फॉर ट्रेड इन इंडिया कैन दे एस्टेब्लिश देयर पावर। आंसर आएगा, if foreign companies came to India for trading, they cannot take over the Indian rule today. Today in India, it is not monarchy, it is democracy. Formerly, India was divided into many smaller states. The Britishers had taken great advantage of number of smaller kingdoms. Besides, they had brought with them sophisticated arms and ammunition for the protection of their trading centers. Today, India is under one integrated union power. Therefore, it is not possible that any foreign nation can take over in India. Question number 2. Why did the British establish Answer, Mirzapur turned preachers in the Battle of Plassey. As soon as the battle started, he went to the side of Britishers with the army of Nawabs. 40,000 soldiers. Nawab Sirajuddaulah was killed. With this victory, the way to establish rule in Bengal opened up. Therefore, they established their first rule in Bengal. Question 3. Why was it essential for the British to conquer the Sikh and Afghan territories? आंसर आएगा, द ब्रिटिशर्स वांटेड टू बी सुप्रीम इन इंडिया ओइंग टू द सिस्टम ऑफ subsidiary alliance of Wesley and Khalsa policy of Dalhousie. It became possible. Punjab was not because of King Ranjit Singh, but after his death it became possible for them. They got this opportunity, and this is how both Punjab and Afghan went under the control of the Britishers. The question number 4. How could the British establish their rule all over India despite of having a small army? तो आंसर आएगा, the strength of the British army was less, but they were expert in crookedness and statesmanship. They took advantage of friendly, proud and disintegrated kings of small states. They made them fight among themselves as they put into practice system of subsidiary alliance. Every king thought that the Britishers were their well-wishers and they were going to protect them. This plan was like slow poison. In the same way, Dalhousie put into practice annexation policy. With these two plans, most of the Indian states went under the control of the Britishers. Besides, the Britishers had sophisticated arms and ammunition, thus they could manage to establish rule over India step by step. Next question number है 6. The British established their rule almost all over India a very short time period with the policy of subsidiary alliance and policy of annexation. How did this happen? आंसर आएगा, the reasons why the Britishers succeed in establishing their rule all over India. Point number 1 है, The Indian kings were disunited uh, and vainly proud. Number two, in Indian society, provincialism prevailed. National unity was the king. The Indian rulers were weak. Huh. Crookedness and statesmanship of the Britishers and their ardent desire to extend their rule got their policy of imperialism succeeded. The Britishers got military help from the Queen of England. System of subsidy alliance of Wellesley and annexation policy of Dalhousie proved to be very significant in enslaving India for the Britishers. The state which has adopted the system of subsidiary alliance said to keep and maintain the British army in their state. The kings then did not have any fear of outside invasions, so they became lazy and resorted to enjoyments. These plants were like sweet poison in Italy. They seemed to be supporting and good for their security, but gradually they turned to be enslaving them. With annexation policy, Dalhousie made many small states annex into the company government. The rulers in India lack in unity and foreseeing as a result India got enslaved. Next question number 6, and you get a book published in England with details of the victory of the British in 1850. And what will be your feedback response after reading in it? In 1857, the Vikings who had been victims by the system of subsidiary alliance and annexation policy had met a revolt. This struggle had a great support of people. There it is noted and as the first in history struggle for independence. This was people's wrath against the unjust and repressive policies of the people. But any how the Britishers put down this struggle, some British writer had termed it a revolution and considers it as triumph of the Britishers. We, the Indians, would say, certainly call the revolt on 1859 struggle for independence. Next, on an outline map of India marks Tatara, Nagpur, Jhansi that we by Lord Dalhousie. Next, how did the British benefit by subsidiary alliance and annexation policy? The answer I can is that the British got by a system of subsidiary alliance of Wellesley. The state which had adopted the system of subsidiary alliance of Wellesley was protected internally and externally by the Britishers, and in return, the company collected some amount of money, agreed to buy the king or some province. Moreover, the state who adopted this plan had to keep and maintain the British army. The state had to bear all the expenses can the army, and in every state one British officer stay in that state. Owing to system of subsidiary alliance, the British company grew stronger and the Britishers dominated over India. The kings of this state became passive, idle and pleasure-loving. Their administrative skill and bravery got extinguished in the tenure of 7 years. Wellesley expanded the company and made the British powers framed by this plan. Benefits that British got by the annexation policy of Dalhousie. Governor General Dalhousie implemented the following annexation policy. Number 1, the annex the state the pretext of breakdown of law and order, prevalence of anarchy. Number 2, defeat certain states in battles, submerge them into the British company. Number 3, to mark the state state into the British company in which the king died without son. Therefore, the annexed the state which has too much of it. In this way, the Britishers merged Satara, Jhansi, Sambalpur, Jaipur, उदयपुर करौली एंड नागपुर स्टेट इनटू द ब्रिटिश ये आपका कंप्लीट है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट कराऊंगी एक क्लास वर्क की बुक में और बुक की बुक में लिखना है और लर्न करना है। थैंक यू।